right. Anti-peg, all right?
We are in Orange, Connecticut, and we're taking a tour of the Pez factory. You excited? Hope they're open. Ooh. There's a giant dispenser.
It's the world's largest.
Ooh.
The game things are behind this.
Oh, yeah, the scavenger hunt. Alright, so you're supposed to grab one of those, and every time you find
One of these.
I think you gotta mock it.
Help your hand.
Huh. Interesting. Look at the old dispensers look like.
Oh wow. They look like lighters almost.
Actually, I think that was the idea, the reason they were trying to make them look like lighters.
And those look like Altoid.
Huh.
They're Santa Claus.
So we gotta find the 7 dwarfs. Oh, that's Orange County Choppers. I thought that was wrestling guys.
Oh.
You do look like lighters.
They do.
I want the Star Wars collection. Oh, look, all the baseball teams. All the animals.
Big. That goes in the thing.
That looks highly dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Shooting pieces of candy at people's heads. NASCAR one. Try one? Is that Grumpy? We got one. What do we got left? 7 up. Is there 6 left?
Yeah.
7 dwarfs?
6 left. Yeah.
There's the factory right there.
That's wild.
Yeah.
What is that Toys R Us one?
Toys R Us does not exist no more. Probably had Ninja Turtle ones when I was little.
Yeah.
Like these ones down there.
Yeah.
We have one of those in the house.
What?
Don't we have a minion?
Yes. You got me one.
Yeah. Vanilla? Ooh, you're good. It's a duck.
Yeah.
I think I got like Risa and Chewbacca. Ooh, that's cool. I like that stuff. I just have to stick my mouth on these ones. I'm gonna stick my mouth on the one.
You're gonna what?
Stick my mouth on it. Don't have any Red Sox ones. Oh, yeah, they do.
Huh?
I was like, they don't have any Red Sox ones. They were up on the top.
Oh.
It's number 3. Which one's that? Happy?
Happy.
Ooh. Mommy, Daddy.
And Paw Patrol.
These are my favorite ones. I want all of them.
These are Noah's favorites in Toy Story. See Toy Story?
It's all monsters, superheroes. This one's been old.
We probably got a ton of these.
Oh, and the Easter baskets?
For like Easter.
Yeah.
Look at the picture of the old factory with those machines.
Oh, yeah. Those are wild. So you got the, you get just the dispenser or just the candy? Or was that another? There you go.
Yeah, who is that?
Sneezy. There's the last guy right there. Hiding away.
Good job.
Did we win?
We won.
What do we gotta do? Spin the wheel?
Yeah.
Where do we win? Ooh, who's that? So we just completed Pez experience.
That was fun.
I got some free Pez. I got myself a Red Sox Pez dispenser. What are we off to now?
Interesting. I don't know. You tell me.
You're driving.
Harrisburg?
Yeah. Woo. The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.